Are you an avid reader looking for free ebook resources now that ZLibrary is no longer available? You're in luck. Today I'm revealing the top alternatives to ZLibrary, where you can download thousands of free ebooks legally. Stay tuned to discover your next favorite reading source. Let's get started. ZLibrary was a fantastic resource, but there are plenty of other websites where you can find free ebooks. Whether you're into fiction, nonfiction, academic texts, or something else, these alternatives have you covered. Here's a brief overview of what you'll find. Number 1, Project Gutenberg, which has over 60,000 free ebooks, including many classics. Number 2, Open Library, which is a vast collection of millions of free ebooks, part of the Internet Archive. Number 3, LibriVox, which contain free audiobooks of public domain works. Number 4, Internet Archive, which is a non-profit digital library offering millions of free books, movies, software, music, websites, and more. Now, let's explore each of these in detail. But before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more great content on book resources and reading tips. Don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated whenever I upload a new video. Let's dive into these amazing resources together. Great. Let's take a closer look at these alternatives. 1. Project Gutenberg. This is one of the oldest digital libraries with over 60,000 free ebooks. The selection includes many classic works of literature. The site is user-friendly, and you can download books in various formats, including EPUB, Kindle, and plain text. 2. Open Library, part of the Internet Archive. Open Library aims to provide one web page for every book ever published. It offers millions of ebooks, including both modern and classic titles. You can borrow ebooks and read them in browser or download them in multiple formats. 3. LibriVox. If you prefer audiobooks, LibriVox is an excellent resource. It offers free audiobooks of public domain works, read by volunteers from around the world. The selection includes a wide variety of genres and languages. 4. Internet Archive. Beyond books, the Internet Archive offers a massive collection of digital content, including movies, music, and software. Its ebook collection is extensive, featuring millions of books across different genres and subjects. 5. Smashwords. This is a great platform for indie authors. It offers a large selection of free ebooks, including many genres and formats. Authors often provide their works for free or at very low prices to reach a wider audience. 6. Many Books. This site offers over 50,000 free ebooks. It started as a collection of public domain books and now includes contemporary titles. You can browse by genre, author, or title and download in multiple formats. 7. Google Books. While not all books are free, Google Books offers a vast collection of free ebooks. You can preview and read many books online for free, and the search functionality is powerful for finding specific titles or subjects. Each of these resources offers a unique selection and features, so explore them to find the perfect fit for your reading needs. And there you have it, a list of the best alternatives to ZLibrary for free ebooks. Whether you're into classics, contemporary works, or audiobooks, these sites have something for everyone. If you check them out, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and happy reading. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial where we shall be sharing more light on each of the websites.